We're here with women's basketball head coach Kate Peterson-Abiad. And Coach, you have your overall thoughts on today's victory over Belmont.
Yeah, it was a good game. It was well fought, I think, by both teams. Certainly, we're very happy to come out on the winning end. This has sort of become a pattern for us. A lot of close games, a lot of games being decided in the last few minutes. I'm seeing a lot of resiliency with these kids. What I'm seeing is that they're learning throughout the game and putting themselves in situations where we're able to capitalize, in the last few possessions. I'm really proud of them. We're playing kids a lot of minutes. I thought we had some good boosts off the bench today, solid defense from some of our bench players. And then we had a lot of scoring from all the starters and just very well distributed. And I thought that in the long run we did what we needed to do to win the game, and that's all we can ask from this group. I mean, we've had a lot of adversity with injuries, and they're really coming together and finding ways to win, and that's what's so great about this group.
You mentioned your offense. You had 5 players finish in double figures, led by Amani Gordon with 25 points. Can you just talk a little bit more about your offense and what you saw out there today?
Well, in the first half, when our offense was at the other end of the floor, we were having a lot of trouble getting any kind of continuity, and the girls were having trouble hearing me in this new venue and just the different acoustics and the fans and that kind of thing. So we were having trouble getting into any type of pattern or rhythm offensively. In the second half, we really simplified it. We said, if it's a man, we're going to run one of these 2 offenses. If it's a zone, we're going to run one of these 2 offenses. And then we specifically spoke about what we were looking for. And I thought that we executed those things very well. So that's why you saw the distribution. We got a lot of points in the paint, and when we were facing a zone, we got a lot of points off of a post up in the paint. And when we were facing a man, we got a lot of backdoor cuts, and we had really good ball movement against our man-to-man defense. And so the wealth was sort of spread. We had our post players doing a great job of assisting our guards on cuts, and our guards did a great job of finishing. So we're getting contributions from all 5 of our starters, and in stretches we had some really big plays by some of our players, and that was a big factor in the game.
Alexis Eccles finished with 15 points and 13 rebounds. Can you talk about her performance?
Yeah, Alexis played a lot of minutes for us, and we asked her to do an awful lot. She was guarding some big players inside, and on the offensive end we were asking her to get in there and post up and make some one-on-one moves. I think the biggest contribution she made were some of her really key rebounds down the stretch. She was very aggressive to the basket and got a lot of good looks right around the rim. And then she blocked a lot of shots for us at the other end of the floor, which changed the course of the game for us, because they started to score from the perimeter rather than taking the ball inside, and that changed things for us on the defensive end. She's just she finds a way to step up in games where we really need her, and it's a good indication of the balance on our team. And when a certain player is called on to do things in a game offensively or defensively, we seem to find a way to get that done. And Alexis, it was a great game for her today.
Next up, you face Niagara on Thursday at 11 a.m. in Health and Physical Education Day. Can you talk about that matchup?
Well, the matchup is going to be a good one. Niagara's playing really well. They have 6 seniors, so they're very experienced, and they've been winning their games as of late, and so we know we're going to have our hands full. I don't know enough about them to speak any more about that, but the day is going to be exciting because we have about 2,000 elementary school kids who are going to be coming for the activities of that game, and then we're hoping that they're very loud, screaming fans for the Vikings in the stands. So it's going to be a really neat day. It's going to have a lot of energy in the gym, and I'm hoping that this turnaround, which is very quick for us, having a 2 o'clock game today, having an 11 o'clock game in 2 days, that we'll be able to get enough recovery so that we can compete well in that game. I think our girls are feeling very positive about this sort of winning streak that we're on, and the way they've been able to perform in these last several games. And so I think they look forward to, who's next, what's up, what's up for us next, and I think the coaching staff feels the same way.
Thank you very much. Good luck on Thursday.
Thank you.